We are studied the important questions, that is Kirchhoff current law and Kirchhoff voltage law. Kirchhoff current law is used to find the current in the complex circuit, and Kirchhoff voltage law is used to find potential difference and EMF of the cell in the complex circuit. And by the combination of these two, we are derived Wheatstone bridge principle, that is P by Q is equal to R by S. Okay, now in this class we want to discuss one instrument which works under Wheatstone bridge principle. This instrument is used to find the unknown resistor resistance. Next, this topic is also one of the practical in our second year syllabus. The topic is meter bridge. This is the meter bridge. Why it is called as meter bridge means, in this bridge we take 1 meter length of a constant wire between points M comma N. Between the points M comma N, we take 1 meter length of a constant wire. That's why it is called meter bridge. Between these 1 meter length of the constant wire, we take two L shape of the sheets or metallic frames. In between them, we take another metallic frame. This is L shape of a frames. Between them, we can take another metallic frame of the same thickness, same width, with two gaps, G1 and G2. Gap 1, gap 2. In these gaps, we take unknown resistor. This is symbol for resistor. This is unknown resistor, that's why I can take X. In the G2 gap, we take one resistance box. Shortcut we can write R. At the midpoint of the gaps 1 comma 2, that is a point A. From this we take one wire connected to galvanometer, high resistance box, and finally connected to the jockey which touch to the 1 meter length of the constant wire. Then after, between the M comma N points, we take one battery and key, top key. Okay, this is the arrangement. Meter bridge is used to find unknown resistor resistance. Meter bridge is used to find the unknown resistor resistance, symbol is X. It works under Wheatstone's bridge principle. In the examination, you must draw this diagram and write this matter. Now, what is L1, what is L2, I will explain later. Okay, now here J is called jockey. Here to here is L1 or L. Here to here it is L2 or 100 minus L. Why? 1 meter wire. 1 meter means 100 centimeter. So here to here it is L, means here to here it is how much? 100 minus L. Next, see that one. This matter compulsory you must write in the examination paper. That's why I am written on here. In meter bridge, 1 meter length of constant wire is taken between m comma n points. Between m comma n points and two gaps G1 and G2 are connected by x comma r. X comma r as shown in figure. From point A towards constant and wire, galvanometer, high resistance box and jockey J are adjusted. After this, battery B, tap key K is connected between M comma N. This is arrangement. After that, this is the jockey. We want to slide the jockey. When we slide the jockey from M to N, galvanometer shows opposite deflection. Means you take a jockey here, galvanometer shows a deflection in this side. The jockey is taken here, galvanometer shows deflection in this side. When the jockey is at here, galvanometer shows a deflection in this side. When the jockey is here, galvanometer shows deflection in this side, means opposite deflection. When by slide, Jarpali, by sliding the jockey from M to N, galvanometer shows opposite deflection. We noticed that bridge is in balance. If the galvanometer shows opposite deflection, we noticed that bridge is in balance. Now the experiment is conducted. Experiment is conducted to remove 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, dash, 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 dash from RB, means here resistance box. From this, first we remove 1 ohm resistance. Then after slide the jockey from M to N. When the jockey slides from M to N, at certain point on the wire, galvanometer, actually here shows a deflection in this side. Here shows a deflection in this side. When you can slide the jockey, the galvanometer shows zero deflection. Galvanometer shows a zero deflection. At which point the galvanometer shows zero deflection on the constant and wire. From that point to the first end of the wire is called balancing length. Is called balancing length L or L1. The remaining length is L2 or 100 minus L. Okay. Now what is the L here? L is a which one? Balancing length. What is a balancing length? At which point the galvanometer shows a zero deflection when the jockey slides from M to N. At which point galvanometer shows a zero deflection when jockey slides from M to N. From that point is called balancing point. From that point to the first end of the wire is called balancing length. That you take L1 or L. Substitute L1 here, L2 here. Already we know 1 ohm. We get the answer X. L1 is also called L. L2 is called 100 minus L. Substitute. We get the answer. Next, we repeat the experiment. Now remove the which one? 2 ohm. And slide the jockey from M to N. Again galvanometer shows a zero deflection. That point is called balancing point. From the balancing point to first end of the wire is called balancing length. In this way we find the unknown resistor resistance with the help of the which one? Meter bridge. Now I am writing the balancing length. At which point on the wire galvanometer shows 0 deflection by sliding the jockey from M to N is called balancing point. That length is called balancing length. That length is called balancing length. Okay, this is the definition. Okay, actually this is one of the practical in our syllabus.